if I have to reflect back, I can say that we have been contra entrepreneurs. We decided to go entrepreneur when if you don't get a job, you become self-employed. So entrepreneurship was a taboo.
It's not like I've started as an entrepreneur, leaving a very six-figure job behind. Nothing like that. At that time, the idea looked really good. I was like, okay, and I jumped on it.
Hi, I'm Rishi. I'm the co-founder of IndiQube along with Meghna.
So IndiQube is actually, for both me and Rishi, it's a third company. For our respective other companies, we were changing offices very frequently. In about 2013, we decided that we took a bigger building and the balance unused space, which we're not using it, we subleased to our clients.
And when that happened, a lot of guys came in and said that, can you provide us transport, food, whatever we were providing to our employees, they wanted to use that being in the same campus. And that's where the idea of IndiQube was born. Once we picked up our first property of about 150,000 square feet in Bengaluru, within a matter of 6 months, we could lease out pretty much the entire building. So that gave us a lot of confidence that we have hit something big. The need for a good quality, well-managed office space was always there, to be honest with you. That's what we realized, that if you are not in one of the large tech parks or in a swanky building like a UB City in Bangalore, typically you tend to get missed out. You are at the mercy of an individual landlord. There's no concept of service, there's no technology, nothing of that type is there. So I think market was very ripe for that. I strongly believe that when our Prime Minister talks about Viksit Bharat, I think we have not built even a fraction of that Bharat. So there is a large part waiting to be developed, and we are happy that we are at a crossroad. So we see a lot of opportunity in front of us, both upstream, downstream, with our IPO happening and we going public. I think we are in a very, very strong position to leverage a lot of that.